This was a disgrace. This was a rigged trial by a conflicted judge who was corrupt. It's a rigged trial, a disgrace. They wouldn't give us a venue change. We were at 5% or 6% in this district, in this area. This was a rigged, disgraceful trial. The real verdict is going to be November 5th by the people. And they know what happened here, and everybody knows what happened here. You have a Soros-backed DA, and the whole thing. We didn't do a thing wrong. I'm a very innocent man, and it's okay. I'm fighting for our country. I'm fighting for our Constitution. Our whole country is being rigged right now. This was done by the Biden administration in order to wound or hurt an opponent, a political opponent. And I think it's just a disgrace. And we'll keep fighting. We'll fight till the end and we'll win. Because our country's gone to hell. We don't have the same country anymore. We have a divided mess. We're a nation in decline, serious decline. Millions and millions of people pouring into our country right now. From prisons and from mental institutions, terrorists. And they're taking over our country. We have a country that's in big trouble. But this was a rigged decision right from day one with a conflicted judge who should have never been allowed to try this case, never. And we will fight for our Constitution. This is long from over. Thank you very much.
Why should voters vote for a convicted felon?
Are you going to drop out? You believe in the rule of law? You trust the jury? Are you worried about jail?
I told y'all, man. That truck got a check engine light on and we riding, baby. I want y'all to know what just took place. What just happened? And this significant, we just took a huge boost, man. And the internet is going crazy. Celebrities, artists, you name it, rappers, podcasters, influencers. You name it right now. I'm looking at, bro, it's going crazy. Look, Donald Trump getting found guilty on 34 felony counts for paying office makes me want to vote for that N-word even more. Not even gonna lie. And it already has over 400,000 views in 20 minutes. And everybody's like, I hate y'all y'all know how I feel about the race card, man. We are all brothers and sisters. We all bleed the same. But when it comes to us blacks and us people, you know, whatever we get real ruthless. But he says all the black people I know in America are still voting for him. Oh man, boy, it is still Trump 2024. Voting for the convicted felon, no matter what. But I want y'all to know, man, that the lawyers are already on an appeal. But boy, what do y'all think, man? I see my comment section going crazy. My emails, my DMs, Instagram. Boy, people are going crazy in my comment in my messages, man. Rick, terrible, sad day. Prayers for Trump. I mean, you name it, man. And then we had somebody say, you know, this could get real dangerous, man. Even like for them to come for him. So prayers for him and his family, man. I want that to be known. And prayers for you guys, all the Keep Coming family, all the beautiful people, my beautiful patrons that are tuned into the video right now. But man, comment down below what y'all think, man. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new here. They couldn't tell us the crime, man. You know? He's not, what is he guilty of? What is he guilty of? You know? And this is disgusting, man. What just took place today? Just showed you what America is, man, and how they will come for you, and how they would, and this just not dealing with just Trump. This has nothing to do with Trump. I gotta watch my words on here, y'all. I almost said something, but I gotta watch my words. Y'all know how it is, man. We have to be careful on here. But this is the complete sham of a trial, a disgrace, man. And guess what? More people are gonna vote for him now. More people are going. I'm telling y'all, man. Y'all should see. Go check your Twitter, Instagram pages, or Facebook pages, and see what everybody's talking about, man. And everybody's retweeting all these celebrities and rappers and all these influencers and people that have a lot of following. Again, this is gonna give us a huge boost, man. Like landslide, you guys. Comment down below what y'all think, man. I'm ready to crack open a cold one November, man. Keep your head up, baby. We still riding, and that check engine light is on. Let's check it out.
Francie, we've apparently we already have a verdict. We don't know what that is. We know that we've been waiting to hear from Donald Trump, but that a verdict has been reached. Rebecca Rose Woodland, what do you think of that?
I am absolutely shocked. The jury said that they were leaving at 4:30, and now they have a verdict. So I guess maybe we got the information wrong. Maybe the
jury was leaving at 4:30. Oh, but now we have a verdict, and we knew what we were against, man. We knew how this thing was set up, you know, and it's sad. Disgrace, man. What do you say? Not even Mother Teresa. Not even Mother Teresa could beat these shots. Godly. We knew what we was up against, man. We knew what was in that courtroom, man. Simple as that.
Jury said they were ready to discuss something with the judge at 4:30 because it's 4:39 and there's a verdict. So I guess we'll have to wait and see what it is. The readbacks from the judge this morning indicated that they were interested in some testimony and they wanted to know what the law was again. And the judge did read that back to them. So I guess we'll find out any moment what the result is here.
Indeed, for those just tuning in, we have just gotten word that the jury has reached a verdict in this Trump hush money case. Whether that involves addressing all 34 counts, whether any were combined, no idea. But Francie, of course, maybe there was that misinterpretation of them stopping things early. They could have gone right to 6 p.m. Maybe when finishing up a little bit before 4:30, a little more than 10 minutes ago, they were indeed finished. What do you make of it?
Well, it's really interesting, Neil. I said all along that I thought a fast verdict, something like this, was probably not good for the former president, that the longer it went on, the more it would suggest a hung jury, that is, a jury unable to reach a verdict. So I think the fact that they've reached a verdict is probably not good for the former president, but it's really difficult to know what a jury is going to do in an extraordinary case like this, where you have so much unconstitutional thumb on the scale by the judge and bringing charges by a district attorney that don't make any legal or judicial sense. But
at all. Can't nobody tell us what the crime is. Y'all, this is a very, very sad day, man. A very, very sad day in America. Very sad day. New York. The whole world is watching, y'all. I want y'all to know that. The whole world is watching. And even the ones on the other side even asked, why is this even taking place? Why are we wasting time? Why are we wasting money? What are we doing here? Even the ones on the other side. The world is watching, man. And we told y'all what would happen if he was found guilty. Y'all be ready, man. But again, prayers for Trump and his family, man.
you never know what a jury's going to do when they're handed a case.
All right, we can read all sorts of things into the relative quick nature of this, Rebecca, and that was a sort of a consensus that built up that if it were an early verdict, it would be damaging to the defense. I don't know if that always applies, but your thoughts?
Look, there was a lot of time between the beginning of this trial and now for jurors to make decisions. They also had almost a week off. I'm very, very strongly hoping that the jury saw through the smoke and mirrors that the prosecution put forth, that of course the jury doesn't understand that the president's Sixth Amendment rights were very severely and clearly violated in this case, that if we do have a verdict that is guilty, I would expect that the defense team would immediately make an immediate appeal to the Supreme Court for an automatic stay based on constitutional violations that have occurred in this courtroom. We will see what is happening now, but it also does make me think the jury came to some conclusions over the course of time that they were dismissed over that long weekend. And when they came back and they heard the jury instructions, they had almost made up their mind by that point, because this is a very short amount of time for a 34-count felony indictment.
Hey, Sean Hannity.
Y'all, man, my everybody's sending me so many things right now, you guys. And I tell y'all, man, people are saying we are still voting for Trump even in prison, y'all. Wow. And that it almost has 1 million views in the last 30 minutes. Wow. My timeline is going crazy right now, man. I stand with Trump. I can't wait till November 5th. Boy, boy, boy. Election interference, man. With them pushing it, you know, when they were supposed to go home at 4:30. Boy, boy, boy. Guess what, y'all? We sending out more hats today. Yeah, buddy. We're going to send out a couple extra orders too at that. So be sure to email me to win you a mega hat. But my time, look at everybody sending me, tagging me and all kind of stuff. Oh my goodness. I'm like, we're live recording this. So I don't know when this video will be up, but we are live recording this, man. Wow. Wait
yeah,
a second,
Judge,
wait
if you
second.
hold on just a second. We see President Trump now. He is walking out. Let's listen.
Trial by a conflicted judge who was corrupt. It's a rigged trial, a disgrace. They wouldn't give us a venue change. We were at 5% or 6% in this district, in this area. This was a rigged, disgraceful trial. But the real verdict is going to be November 5th by the people. And they know what happened here, and everybody knows what happened here. You have a Soros-backed DA, and the whole thing, we didn't do a thing wrong. I'm a very innocent man, and it's okay. I'm fighting for our country. I'm fighting for our Constitution. Our whole country is being rigged right now. This was done by the Biden administration in order to wound or hurt an opponent, a political opponent. And I think it's just a disgrace. And we'll keep fighting. We'll fight till the end and we'll win, because our country's gone to hell. We don't have the same country anymore. We have a divided mess. We're a nation in decline, serious decline. Millions and millions of people pouring into our country right now from prisons and from mental institutions, terrorists, and they're taking over our country. We have a country that's in big trouble. But this was a rigged decision right from day one, with a conflicted judge who should have never been allowed to try this case, never. And we will fight for our Constitution. This is long from over. Thank you very much.
Why should voters vote for a convicted felon?
Wow. It's Trump 2024, y'all. It is Trump 2024. Wow.
Hey, Sean Hannity here.
Wow. Comment down below what you guys think. Again, we were recording live, man. Wow. Prayers for Trump and his family, man. November 5th, y'all. November 5th. Trump 2024, man. Told y'all. We riding, baby. Check engine light is on. That truck is shaking at 70 miles per hour on the interstate. Boy, boy, boy. Oh my. And everybody is blowing me up. Oh, I hate to break it to you, like they might have just guaranteed a landslide. Any faith in our legal system just died today. Prayers for Trump. They just guaranteed a huge landslide in November. Oh boy. Appeal has been submitted. Supreme Court will overturn it. Wow, man, people are just blowing it up right now in the chat. Oh man, as soon as Biden said he'd debate Trump, as soon as Biden said he'd debate Trump, everyone knew he would be found guilty. Oh boy, boy. It just died today. They just showed you who they are. This is not America. Boy, boy, boy. And they are blowing me up right now, you guys. But I don't know when this video should drop. It should drop soon. But make sure y'all drop a like, subscribe. Please let me know how do you feel about this? How did you take this in? You know, please be open in the comments. Be respectful. I love you guys, man. And like I tell y'all, we are living in some dark, dark times. Can't make this up. We are living in some dark, dark times. Dark, dark times, y'all. Again, I'm wishing not only the best in you guys' life, but your kids' life, your grandkids, the future, the next generation, man. We're living in some dark times, you guys. I encourage you to spread the love, man. People are struggling at an all-time high. Depression, suicide rates, PTSD, anxiety, all-time high, man. All-time high. And again, we have been declining fast for a while now. I love you guys, man. Bless you all and your family.